Kumandra. This is what we used to be when our land was whole and we lived alongside dragons. But this world has changed. Borders were drawn, and its people are divided. Heart, guardian of the dragon gem. Tail, a sweltering desert with people who fight dirty. Talon, a floating market, famous for fast steals and fighters with even faster hands. Spine, bamboo forest, guarded by large warriors and their giant axes. Fang, a nation protected by angry assassins and their even angrier cats. Now, to restore peace, I must find the last dragon.
Who said that? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. Let me get that for you.